Welcome to the Boston-Edison neighborhood right next to Voigt Park, 1 block from Woodward Avenue. This home is a complete fixer-upper, if you couldn't tell, but it has so much potential and is waiting for the right buyer to make this home sing again. I see you leaded glass windows and all of these original features like built-in closets and wood floors throughout the entire house that will clean up so nicely. They are in decent shape. This home is almost 4,000 square feet. It has 6 bedrooms, 3 full baths, 1 half bath, and is waiting to be gutted and completely redone. It has the original servants' quarters on the 3rd floor and a back staircase. And can you just imagine what this house would look like when complete?